Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reserve tasks on Toloka, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that click on the three lines at the top of the screen, then click on the settings. And you can see the always reserve task to complete later option. You have to turn that on. So when you exit a task, you reserve it for later. So let's try this out. If you go back to the home page, and if you like and you start a task, let's start one task, complete training. All right. And if I exit the task and I'm going to click on the three lines at the top of the screen, and you can see the second option is reserved, and here you can check all your reserved tasks, and you can see at the top the expires in. So this shows you that how much time you have to complete the tasks. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.